What's the meaning of buyer's remorse? Buyer's remorse. Buyer's remorse.
Buyer's remorse. Buyer's remorse. Buyer's remorse refers to the feeling of regret or anxiety that one experiences after making a purchase. It often arises when a person spends a significant amount of money on an item, and then starts to doubt whether or not it was worth it. Symptoms of buyer's remorse can vary from person to person, but typically involve feelings of guilt, fear, and uncertainty. The result of buyer's remorse can be significant, as it can lead to second-guessing of future purchases and a general sense of unease about one's financial decisions. In severe cases, it can even cause depression or anxiety.